HIC double layer fine mesh strainer for sifting, draining, straining, and sieving foods and ingredients before cooking and baking. Sits securely on pots and pans, mixing bowls and other food preparation containers to keep both hands free for other tasks, like measuring and pouring. Aerate ingredients and remove clumps for lighter, fluffier baked goods, or smoother soups, sauces, pastes and purees. Nylon mesh removes smaller bits and allows liquids to drain. Non-reactive nylon material is perfect for use with acidic foods, like tomato and citrus. Hangs for convenient and compact storage, top rack dishwasher safe. HIC's double-layer nylon mesh strainers are the perfect cooking tools for sifting, draining, straining, and sieving foods and ingredients before baking and cooking. Each nylon strainer features a double-layer support to sit securely on pots and pans, mixing bowls and other food preparation containers, keeping both hands free for other tasks, like measuring and pouring. Use them like a fine mesh sieve to remove seeds, skins and other fibrous bulk and smaller bits for even consistencies and creamier textures in soups and sauces, pastes and purees. No more lumps. These food strainers are versatile kitchen accessories. Rinse legumes, rice, and grains before cooking, catch seeds and pulp when juicing fresh lemons, or drain and strain infusions of herbs or mulling spices. They double nicely as a sifter, too. Powdered ingredients like flour, crushed spices and confectioners sugar or ground nut, oat and grain flours tend to settle and compact during packaging and shipping. HIC's nylon mesh strainers remove clumps from these ingredients and aerate them for even lighter, fluffier baked goods. Made from a durable nylon with a fine nylon mesh and a double-layer design for added stability. Nylon is the perfect non-reactive material for use with more acidic foods, like tomato and citrus. HIC's double-layer nylon food strainer will not retain tastes or odors and impart flavors on foods. Top rack dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Hangs for convenient storage. Top reviews from the United States. Great little strainers. We use these 4 strainers for draining tins of tuna and salmon. The fine mesh keeps the fish from going down the drain and enables almost all the oil or water to be removed, important if you are making fish wraps or sandwiches and don't want them soggy. Easy to clean, and I especially like that the nylon mesh is fused to the rim at the edges. There is no gap where remnants of food can remain and bacteria can grow. Perfect.